Have you ever wondered how scientists make medicine from bacteria, or how farmers grow better crops? The secret behind many of these modern marvels is biotechnology. But what exactly is biotechnology, and why is it so important in our everyday lives? Imagine if you had a very clever toolbox, not filled with wrenches and hammers, but with living things like tiny bacteria, plants, and animal cells. Biotechnology is like using this living toolbox to solve problems and create amazing new things. A long time ago, even before anyone used the word biotechnology, people were already putting it to work. Thousands of years ago, bakers discovered that mixing flour and water and letting it sit made dough rise. The secret ingredient was yeast, a tiny living thing that turns sugar into bubbles of gas and makes bread fluffy. Cheese, yogurt, and even pickles are all made using early biotechnology tricks, using helpful microbes to change foods in tasty ways. But today's biotechnology is even more amazing. Scientists have learned to work with microscopic building blocks called genes, the instructions inside all living things that decide how they grow and what they can do. Imagine genes as little recipe cards inside every cell. By carefully reading or changing these recipes, scientists can help plants resist bugs or make bacteria produce medicine to help sick people feel better. For example, before biotechnology, people with diabetes couldn't always get enough insulin, a chemical their bodies needed. Scientists figured out how to give bacteria a new recipe, so bacteria could make insulin too. Now, with biotechnology, it's possible to make plenty of life-saving insulin in special factories. Biotechnology is also being used to clean up pollution. Some bacteria can be trained to eat up oil spills or harmful waste, acting like tiny cleaners in the environment. In farming, biotechnology helps plants grow stronger and need less pesticide, making food more plentiful and sometimes healthier. Of course, scientists must be careful with biotechnology. Changing the recipes of life is a big responsibility, and they need to make sure new technologies are safe for people, animals, and our planet. That's why scientists test their ideas and listen to lots of opinions from other experts before they use new biotechnologies widely. Biotechnology is all about teamwork, too. Biologists, chemists, doctors, farmers, and engineers all work together, using their special knowledge to invent, test, and improve these living tools. As science grows, so does our living toolbox, giving us new ways to make the world safer, healthier, and even more interesting than before. So next time you eat a slice of bread, say thanks to the ancient biotechnologists, and the modern ones too. Who knows what tiny helper might be at work, making life a little better, one cell at a time.